In today's video, we will be looking at who is an entertainment lawyer or a media lawyer. Welcome back. Hi, I'm Sadhu Nissa and thank you for joining me on this video today. Before we could go into this topic, let us understand what is entertainment law. When we refer to the word entertainment, it brings a smile to a person's face. So you can say entertainment is also creativity, collaboration, hard work and imagination. Thereby, it covers an area of law which involves media of all different types, that is, film, music, publishing, advertising, internet and news media, etc. In this industry, expectations are high, not only because money and reputations are at stake, but also because creators and others can be very passionate about a project. Thereby, you can say that entertainment law is a broad sphere of law that encompasses everything from intellectual property to contracts and employment law. It is varied as entertainment industry itself, and it remains a very important aspect of the entertainment world. Let us look at types of law that are a part of entertainment law. That is, intellectual property, litigation, business, taxation, securities, contracts, employment or labor, international law, etc. A very important aspect of entertainment law is entertainment lawyers need to be highly skilled communicators. The reason being, entertainment related litigation involves large sums of money. Thereby, communications are critical who work in the field of entertainment law. Now, the other key skills are like negotiation skills, complex problem solving skills, coordination and persuasion skills. It is a fast-paced legal career. It provides opportunities and options to be a part of an exciting field, and it is very challenging. It is a combination of different types of laws. Draft contracts for clients to ensure they are legal and fair to the client. Negotiate contracts and deals. Protecting intellectual property. Advising. Connecting clients with other service providers. Managing taxes, etc. A law degree, 3 years LLB or 5 years LLB. Some law schools also offer certificate program in entertainment law, now which can be earned in addition to a law degree, now which allows students to specialize in their studies. These programs give you a deeper insight into the industry, clients and types of issues entertainment lawyers handle, such as labor and employment, securities, litigation and contract negotiation. LLM would be an added advantage. Now, some of the key points to be considered if you are focusing on entertainment law to get hands-on experience. That is, for individuals seeking a career in entertainment law are internships which can provide real-world experience in this field. Once you have attained a legal degree, work for a law firm specializing in this type of law. Support me by subscribing to my channel. It motivates me to make more value-added videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the notification button to get all the latest updates on my channel. Don't forget to watch the next episode where I would be covering on a different area of practice for lawyers. Have a good day and see you in the next video.